G'day, how's it going? So today we've come out to head to Asiatique. Yeah, so the ticket to Asiatique is 40 baht per person, and the boat back is free. So, and it's the last boat's at 11:30 p.m. So you won't have any trouble getting back. So Asiatique has got a ton of bars and restaurants on the riverfront here, and quite a few of the dinner cruises leave from here, and it is packed. It's always good. So here is where they're herding people together for the dinner cruise, by the look of it. So they're all dressed up there. It's a great spot along here if you get here just before sunset. But look at the people, all getting ready to go on their dinner cruises. So along here you've got your people selling new cruises, so I'm guessing if you turn up and you haven't got one booked, then you may get in. You can go to each one and see which one's still got spaces. So you've got the Ferris wheel here, the haunted house, and Jurassic World, and then that bloody spinny thing we saw when we came in. Can't remember the name of it. We went through there last time we were here, and Adele got a fright on every corner. Yeah, that's more your pace. Do you want to ride on that? On the merry-go-round?
I'm not even answering that.
Dal's just over grabbing a couple of beers. But it's madness along the front there. People are lined up to get on their cruises, and the restaurants are pretty full. So, what they say, tourism's a bit slow in Bangkok. Well, you've seen how many people are here, and it's a Tuesday night, so looks pretty busy to me. That's not for me. Not for you. No. They take all your loose items off you, but you still got a chance of getting vomited on from down here. Oh, it's pretty nice up here, isn't it? Too bad we can't get a beer up here. Oh, there's a lot of little spots to sit yourself down. I wonder if there's a bar up here. No, nothing. Just seating. Pretty nice view though. Man, it's really nice up here. They've done a really good job setting this up. Just see the fireworks through between the buildings there. Looks like the icon Siam. Wait for Adele to spot this light shop. Wait for it. And she's in. See if she notices the lights. She's noticed them. Yeah, she noticed them.
Look how cute they are.
I knew she couldn't resist going in. Well, that was our look around Asiatique. You can come out here and have a meal. We'll jump on one of the boats. They take off between 7:30 and 9:30, most of them. Check-in is between 6 and 7. You've got Jurassic World, the experience. You got that crazy ride up there, that spinny thing.
You got the Ferris wheel.
You got the Ferris wheel, straight through there. The haunted house, and I think there's a cabaret show there as well. So yeah, you could fill in a couple of nights here if you really wanted to.
Pretty cool.
And it's easy enough to get to. Just take the BTS to Sap and Taxon and grab the 40-baht boat and then the free boat back, which is pretty much right here, and it leaves every half hour. So if you like the look around Asiatique, then yeah, hit that like button if you've got time, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. All the boats are coming in now. It's almost 9:30, so this place is about to get mad again. It's definitely a lot quieter than what it was.